All right, question number 9. Students were asked to name their favorite sport from a list of basketball, soccer, or tennis. The results are shown in the table below. So we've got a list of the girls and boys that took the survey, and then this box shows the number of girls that preferred basketball. This one over here is the number of girls that preferred soccer, number of girls that preferred tennis, and similarly for the boys below. It's then asking which percentage of students chose soccer as their favorite sport. So we're really only going to be focusing on this set right over here. Now, one thing they leave out, they gave you all the information. They didn't ask you to fill it in. But I added a little bit of information that I want to take a look at on this table. And you might notice I have the same chart with the same data as in the question, except I added a total along the bottom here and a total along the bottom there. Notice this box is just incidental. It's not going to get used, so I'll just cross it off. The way this works is if I want to get the total number of kids or students that chose basketball as their favorite sport, I would just add these two together and I get the total number of students that liked basketball. That works the same for the total number of students who chose soccer as their favorite, total number of students who chose tennis as their favorite. I can also go all the way across here, adding the number of girls who liked basketball, then soccer, then tennis, to get the total number of girls that took the survey, and same thing for the total number of boys that took the survey, right? Every box, you just look to the left, and then you look up, and you can read, this is the total number of boys for right over here. This is the boys that like soccer, right? Now, they're only asking for the soccer column, so we don't need to fill out all these other totals over here, though, maybe feel free to try it just for your own practice. We just need the total over here. If there's 58 girls who like soccer the best and 41 boys who like soccer the best, I can add these two together, and I'm going to get 50 plus 40 is 90. 8 plus 1 is, it's 99 students total that like soccer as their favorite. What percentage of students chose soccer as their favorite sport altogether? Okay, actually, sorry. I'm going to bite my words here. I actually do need to use this last box over here. At the last box over here, I'm going to end up with the total number of students. So if I add up all the boys and girls, or if I add up all the people that have a favorite basketball, soccer, and tennis, I will end up with the total number of students that took the survey. So we're actually going to have to fill out the rest of this information. Let's do it. Total number of students that like basketball is going to be 40 plus 80. So, 2 plus 4 is 6. 40 plus 80 is 120. 126 people like basketball. Popular sport. 20 and 5 is 25. And if I add all these up, the total favorite sports for each one, I should get the total number of students. Let's do that really quick on the calculator, just to save us some time. Make a new calculator. 126 plus 99 plus 25. That gets me 250 students total. So this is saying overall there are 250 students. Let's confirm that between the boys and the girls. Just make sure that these totals add up all the way. So I'm going to say 42 plus 58 plus 20. 42 plus 58 plus 20 makes 120 girls that took the survey. And let's do the boys. 84 plus 41 plus 5 gets me 130 boys. Good, right? Both totals end up getting me to 150. They both should. Sorry, 250. Next, if I want the percentage of students that prefer soccer as their favorite, all I need to do to get any kind of percentage is I'm just going to take that part and put it over the total for that part. So because it's the total kids that like soccer out of all the students, I'm just going to say 99 over 250 and put that in the calculator. I'll put a decimal next to one of them so I get a decimal answer. That will get me the percent of students that prefer soccer. If I wanted to get the percent of students that prefer soccer that are girls, I would put 58 over 99, right? I just look at the part and match it with the total there. It just depends on the question they're asking. Anyways, I'm kind of going on a tangent. Let's just finish up this question here. 99 over 250. Let's do this. 99 divided by 250, and I'll put a decimal just at the end there to get a decimal answer. 0.396, 0.396 to convert to a percent from here, I just got to say, oh, well, this is hundredths for percent, tens and ones. This is 39.6% of students prefer soccer. Let's check it. 39.6, it is answer choice 1. Whoops. Answer choice 1.